Second problem. See the second problem, what they are given. If fifth term of a GP is 32 and common ratio is 2, then sum of 14th term is, first we can write given things. What they are given here, T5 is equal to 32. T5 means how to write? A into R power 5 minus 1, that is 4, that is equal to 32. And common ratio, R value 2 given, then find sum of 14 terms of the GP series. So R value substitute here, A into 2 power 4, that is equal to 32 means we can write 2 power 5. 2 power 4, 2 power 5. 4 terms is cancelled means remaining only one term. A value 2 and R value already given. Now we need to find S14. What is Sn formula? Tell me. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. What is R here? 2, that is greater than 1. That's why I'm using this formula. N is equal to 14. S14. A is 2. R means 2. 2 power 14 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. That is equal to 2 into 2 power 14. Please calculate this. 2 into 1600, 383. Now what we get? 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 24, 2 3s are 6, 8, and this is 2 16s are 32. 32,840. 1 second, 66. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. What they are given? If second term of a GP is 24, second term means nth term formula already you know very well. Just in place of n take 2. AR, this is second term. That value should be 24 given. Next, fifth term, A into R power 5 minus 1, that is 4, 81 given. Now we need to find first term. First term means A only now. This is question mark. Divide both. AR power 4 divided by AR. Then what happened? See, 81 divided by 24. See the calculation. A is going to cancel and 1 R is going to cancel. Remaining 3 R's are there. Here 3 8s are 327, sir. Students, are you understood how I am calculating? Right, here R cube, that is equal to 27 means we can write 3 cube. 8 means we can write 2 cube. This is overall I am writing 3 by 2 whole cube. See here, the powers are same. Bases we can equate. So R value 3 by 2. Now we need to find A value. There are two equations. Use any one. I am going to use AR is equal to 24. Just in place of R, write the value 3 by 2. That is equal to 24. Now see the calculation. 3 8s are 24. Now what is the A value? A is equal to 2 into 8. 16 They are asking first term. First term means A only. Which option is correct? Second option. See the next question. Fourth one. Fourth one. Read the question carefully. How many terms of the series 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus and so on sum to 364? So here, by observing the question, we want to write what is first term? A. A value should be 1. Common ratio or the term divided by preceding term. 9 divided by 3. How much? 3. 3 is greater than 1. Now, sum of n terms formula already you know very well. A into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is the formula. Already sum given 364 and we know that a value is 1 into what is r? 3. 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. See the calculation. 3 minus 1 means 2. Take left hand side. 364 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 728. That is equal to 3 power n minus 1. Now, what is 3 power n? Minus 1 send left hand side. Already 728 is there. It is going to 729. Now 729 how to write? 3 cube. How much? Just go to the verification method. If you are taken n value 3, you will get 729 or another value. 3 cube means 27. So first option wrong. 3 power 4, 81. 3 power 5, how much? 243. So this value is 3 power 6. By comparing both, what is n value? 6. They are asking how many number of terms sum 364. So sum of six terms. That value should be 364. Question number 5. See this question. How to do this? How to do this? Now, 7 plus 7 plus and so on, n terms given. 7 plus 77 plus 777 and so on, n terms. N terms. Here we can follow this method. First take 7 common. This is not AP series, this is not GP series. So we have to convert now either AP series or GP series. That's why I'm taking 7 common. Remaining is 1, 11 plus 111 plus and so on, n terms. Now